Welcome back to my channel. So today's body cream recommendation is for dark skin people with very dry skin. Now if you're dark, you're caramel, and you have dry cranky skin and you need a body cream to help you to make your skin soft, supple, help to moisturize your skin for a longer time, I got it plugged. This is the cream I'm recommending for you today. This is the Beauty Fair body care cream. This cream is very nice. It contains collagen and glycerin. Like, these are the two main ingredients, these are the two main things that make this cream what it is. The glycerin really helps to hydrate the skin. So if you have dry cranky skin, it is going to help to make your skin moisturize. It is going to help to moisturize your skin for a longer period of time. And over time, when you continue using this cream, you are going to notice that your skin is going to start being soft, being soft to touch, looking fine and having this shiny outlook. So if you have been suffering from dull skin, dry skin, say no more. This cream is your best plug, and it is actually affordable. This is the big container. It has a smaller one, so this one goes for, I think, 3,500. That was what I got it last. And then the smaller one goes for like 1,518, depending where you are buying it. So this is what this cream looks like. Okay, see, it's very thick and it has a very nice natural, like, it has this very unique fragrance that is very nice. If you have used this cream before or you know about it, let me know in the comment section, because this brand is an OG, like, it's an old brand. They have even celebrated their 45th anniversary. Like, this is really an old brand, and then when I was growing up, I knew a lot of my aunties using it. It was really nice. Okay, it helps to give you this supple, even dark caramel skin. All right, so why I am emphasizing on dry skin is because this cream is going to make you sweat. I'm not going to lie to you. I actually got it for myself, but when I use it, and there's no fan, there's no AC and stuff, I begin to sweat. But during the period when I used it, I really loved the appearance of my skin. And this contains collagen. This is one of the cheap body lotions, body creams that contain collagen. And you know that collagen is very good for the skin. It is an anti-aging product. If you're over 25, you should actually start using products that contain collagen, for your skin elasticity and all that good stuff. So this cream is a good buy. It is good for dry skin. If you have oily skin or combination skin and you want to actually try it out, that's on you. And I wouldn't want to recommend it for fair people, because most fair people, their fairness is based on cream. So this will not lighten you. This is not a lightening cream. I won't even categorize this as a brightening cream. This is just a moisturizing cream, a toning cream. It's just going to give you that even skin complexion, and I really love it because it smoothens out your skin. It gives you this supple, soft skin over time of usage. So yeah, that's all about this cream. And yeah, if you have more questions or more concerns about it, or any question whatsoever about this particular product or any other product you want to know, let me know in the comment section and I'm going to answer you. Thank you for joining me on today's one. I'll see you on our next one. Remember to always smile because it is never out of fashion.